happy to be here among our colleagues and brothers in the UAE and in the region. National Company for Mechanical Systems is a Tier 1 company established in Saudi Arabia with our factories in Al Kharj city, doing multiple versions and multiple products, as you see, from air products to land products to night vision systems and also remote weapon stations. And what's important is that we are proud and we pride to have a workforce, majority of Saudi workforce of the more than 1,500 employees in the Saudi Arabia. Well, as you know, in this sector, research and development and also being close to the client are major elements to guarantee your success and to avoid obsolescence. NCMS is known and prides to be the bridge between research and manufacturing to avoid what's so-called the death valley in the manufacturing and in the research. We collaborate with our clients, we collaborate with our internal institutions and hands-on institutions in order to continue the product's supply chain and produce what you can see today of major benchmark and competence to the world products. Alhamdulillah.